Are you tired of feeling overlooked and undervalued because of your social status? Do you want to know how to command respect from anyone, regardless of their position or influence? Look no further, because in this video, we're going to share with you 5 proven ways to instantly make anyone respect you, even if you're not high status. With these tips, you can increase your confidence, showcase your competence, and earn the respect you deserve. So, if you're ready to learn how to become a respected and admired individual, keep watching. Number 1. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to gaining respect. If you're confident in yourself and your abilities, others will take notice and view you in a more positive light. Walk with your head held high and maintain eye contact when speaking with others. Number 2. Show respect. Respect is a two-way street. If you want others to respect you, you need to show them respect as well. Listen to what they have to say, be polite, and avoid being judgmental. Number 3. Be reliable. People respect those who keep their word and follow through on their commitments. If you say you are going to do something, make sure you do it. Be dependable and people will come to rely on you. Number 4. Demonstrate competence. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, demonstrate your competence and expertise in your field. Share your knowledge with others and don't be afraid to take on challenges that showcase your abilities. Number 5. Be authentic. Lastly, be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, as people can usually spot a phony from a mile away. Embrace your unique qualities and personality traits, and let others appreciate you for who you are. By implementing these tips, you can quickly gain the respect of others, regardless of your social status. That's all for today's video on how to instantly earn respect from anyone, even if you're not high status. We hope you found these tips useful and will start implementing them in your daily life. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below letting us know which tip was your favorite. And if you want to see more great content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Deep Wordings, for regular updates. Thanks for watching.